So today we'll be cooking Mathobosha. As you can see, that's my boiling water. I'm gonna add wheat flour. Mathobosha is actually cooked like ugali. Like you should stir it like ugali until there are no bumps in them. So if you are planning to date or to get married to a Mombasa guy, I think you should just learn how to cook Mathobosha juu. There's this saying that usually say that Ramadhani bila Mathobosha haiendi. So I think you should do your best to learn. So I've added a little bit of flour, wheat flour, since it seemed sticky. It should not be sticky, just like how you cook ugali. Okay, so here my Mathobosha has already cooked, so I'm gonna roll it. It is usually rolled like that, so I'm gonna roll it. So as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it into small pieces. That's how it has to be. It should be small, but there's some people who prefer it being big. It depends with you. Like mine, as you can see, it looks big, but it's not big. It's just the camera. So I'm gonna put a hole inside so that it will cook easier. And that is also how Mathobosha is made. Mine it's kinda sticky. I forgot to dip my hand into oil so that it won't stick on my hand. As you can see, it's kinda sticky. And if you have another way that you usually cook it, you can just comment. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my second coconut milk and let it boil. I'm gonna go ahead and add a half cup of sugar, then I'm gonna add the iliki on top of it, as you can see. Then after it has boiled, I'm gonna dip in my Mathobosha, as you can see inside it. After it has boiled, I'm gonna add my first coconut milk, tui la kwanza. I'm gonna add my first coconut milk. Nowadays I usually tui la kwanza, if you know you know, so I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk. This is the first coconut milk, so I had planned to break it into two. First one to cook Mathobosha and second one to cook my beans. Yeah, so here is my potato for Katlesi. So in my potato I've added jeera, I've added salt. Yeah, and I'm gonna let it cook. So we are going ahead to show you my grated carrots and my onions, which I've cut it into cubes, and here is another onion and the carrot, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook my meats, Katlesi. Yeah, so I'm mixing meat. Here is my curry powder. It's optional. You can use curry powder, you can use a paste of garlic and ginger. You can use any spice you want. You can use black pepper. It depends with you and your preference and what you think it's good for you. My meat has already cooked, so I'm gonna add my onions. As you can see, I'm gonna add my onions and stir it for a little bit. Then after that, I'm gonna add my carrot. So my carrot seems too many, yeah? no worries. It's good for eyes. It's good for your eyes. So I love Katlesi. You can also cook Katlesi with mayai inside. It depends with you which you prefer. So I debated with myself and I was like, okay, let me just cook the meat one. So as you can see, here is the bowl. I'll show you. My nephew was helping me to cook. As you can see, he's adding the mixture of meat, carrot and onion inside the potato, and he's making it to be round. As you can see, it's round and perfect. And here I'm gonna take one and dip it into a wheat flour. Then I'm gonna dip it into a concoction of egg and salt. Here, as you can see how perfect it is, there's no light here. The light stopped lightening, and here the light is back. As you can see, perfect. Perfect. Yummy, 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 yummy. Mpishi olewa ama siolewe? Mpishi olewa ama siolewe? Look at that. Mathobosha. Mathobosha. Mpishi ameolewa. So thank you for watching my YouTube and subscribe.